Angela Rosoff with Beautify Face Yoga, and I am so excited to share an opportunity with you. Oh my gosh, it's going to be amazing. It's a skin wellness cleanse and restore workshop, and I'm going to share my screen with you so I don't miss a thing. I think you are going to love, love, love this opportunity because it's a time for you, if you're local to the Bay Area, to come to the warmth of the South Bay at the Skin Studio of Dr. Usha Navagarapu. She is a scientist and a holistic skin creator of a beautiful brand called Surrasa. It is unlike anything I've ever tried. I really love it. And I'm so happy she invited me to partner with her to share some beautiful lessons in face yoga, yin yoga, and the power of restoring the myofascia. Because when we are able to do that, it actually impacts how our face is shaped. It's quite remarkable. So I'm so happy to share that with you. Together, we're going to share all that we know about Ayurveda skincare during the spring season. And I just love, love, love this opportunity. You also get to make your own skin oil for Abhyanga and learn all of the wisdom around Abhyanga as taught to me by so many mentors of the discipline and science of Ayurveda. So happy to share this lifestyle skincare opportunity with you. It's on Saturday, April 29th from 3 to 5 p.m. You can go to surrasa.com. That's surrasa.com. You can scan the QR code and find this opportunity there. I also have an Eventbrite if that's your thing, and we would love to make this a really special afternoon to offer you the ultimate in holistic skin wellness. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm so excited. And if you know anyone in the South Bay, please share this with them. This is going to be first of many seasonal events, and I'm so excited to share this with you. Thank you so much for being here. Namaste.